Yeah, hello, yes, I welcome you all to my channel. I'm Crypto Lord. You can call me Lord of Arbitrage. Yeah. So in this past weeks, I've been talking about crypto AI bots, and I think I've been doing videos more about the auto trade. So let's focus on the signal one. Yeah. So people want to do it manually. They want to do it on their own. They want to buy and sell because they can't risk depositing money on the bot for the bot to trade for them. So they want to trade it manually. So today, let's go straight together and I'll be teaching you some tips. But if you want to know much more, then you just have to join my mentorship and I will train you for 2 weeks for you to know much more about crypto arbitrage. Yeah. So you can see that over here is the auto trace, but let's go to the manual trace here. Yeah, manual trace here. So if I come here, this is the manual trace over here. No verified opportunity fund. We're trying. Yeah, so let's read. Yeah, okay. Yo, so it's in. Yeah. So you can see that we have over here we have meme coin and we have major coin, right? But me, I trade all the coins. Yeah. So consider here we have the top opportunity right now is what's Uni USDT. You buy it from Bitfinex and sell it on Little King. Yeah. So let me show you some tips about this manual trades that is different from other scanners. Yeah. So one thing is that this one it gives you higher spread alert. You can see that something is blinking over here. That like it will notify you with higher spread alerts. Yeah, and you can see it with fire emoji. That means it's fire. That means you'll be getting more profit. Yeah. And the second one is that all the coins that it will be giving you has higher 24 hours market volume. That one I know most of my students they know much about that thing. Yeah. And it also give you coins that are very profitable and stuff, and you can also calculate your profit and see that okay, if I invest or if I use this money to trade this coin, how much will I be getting and stuff. Yeah. And secondly, you can see that we have open and suspended. So you can see that this coin is open because WD stand for withdrawal and the DEP stand for what? Stand for deposit. So it means that this coin you can buy here and sell it here and they are all open. But when you see red something like this, that means suspended. So let me go and see whether I'll see something like red. Okay, here. Let's say that BNB, you buying it from what? KuCoin and sell it on Poloniex. On Poloniex, deposit and withdrawal is what's close. That's why it's routes blocked. So that one you can't trade that coin. But most of the scandals, arbitrage scandals, like they will give you the signals without telling you that it's suspended or not suspended. But when you go to the field, you see that oh, this coin is suspended. I can't withdraw my coin. I can't deposit my coin. I'm stuck here and stuff. But this boat is not like that. This boat is what? It's not like that. Yeah. So I was trading one particular coin that was the uni and the SRP. So let's see after that we will come and try this signals as well. Yeah, so I was trading this coin unicoin on I think Little King and Bank X. Let me see whether it's still available. Yeah, the coin that I was trading, let me see if it's still available here. 1.28. Is it? I was so that I've been trading more than 4 coins. Let me see if and I got all this opportunity from the bots here. So you can see that over here the SRP is what 1.36 and Benga is what 1.28. So I'll buy it from here, but we have a way of what buying the coin. I just set it on limit order just to show you the actual figures and stuff, but we have a way of buying it and selling it. Yeah, so if I'm investing $1,000, I'll be getting 776 SRP, and I'll come here to sell. So let me see, 776 SRP. I'll be earning 1048.9. So to me that I'll be earning 48.9 profit. 48.9 profit. And the withdrawal fee is not up to $2 into that thing. So I'll be in $48.9 when I'm using $1,000. So let me use $100 or $500 as just a beginner. 388, 388, 388. I'll be earning $24.45. But you have to know that there are lots of things involved in arbitrage than what I'm showing you. There are a lot of things involved in it. With a way of buying it and a way of selling it, you have to know all these things. Yeah. So let me also come to the boat here. We have Uni USDT. Uni USDT. So Uni USDT, you buy it from here and send it over here. But I don't have the Bitfinex on the boat. On this phone I'm using, I don't have it, but I think I was trading Bitfinex as well on Mexi and look, yeah, I was trading this coin on here. Uni, yeah. Oh, this has to update. Let me open that here. Yeah, I'm not updating anything right now. I already have it on my. Hey, let me search for other network. Okay, so we have .USDT from Bitfinex. Okay, so Git.io, Uni USDT, Git.io, and says on Littlekin. Let me see whether I have Git.io on this phone. I have it, but I haven't updated. Yeah, because I don't use this phone to trade. Yeah, so all these are the signals that it will giving you. Yeah. So, and one thing is that the signals that it will be giving you, they are all accurate. They are all what? They are all accurate. So Bitget and have Bitget here. So buy Uni on Bitget and says Littlekin Bitget, have Bitget here. Yeah. So let's check and see if it's true or not. Yeah, Uni on spots here. Okay, and looks like in Uni. So let me search Uni over here. Uni USDT, Uni swap. Yeah. So Uni swap over here is 3, and over here is what 2.967. The spread rate is low. It's low, but when you use higher capital, you still make profit. Yeah, that's how we do it. So here, if I use 500, I'll be getting 168.5, 168.5. That means I'll be earning $2 on my $500 capital. You see, because the spread was really low. So let me teach you much about the spread. This is the spread. You see that we have spread. But so if you're trading with spread like 1.1, it's cool. But I don't have that Bitfinex on this phone. You see, and if I come to the main coin, you can see that we have some spread with 0.7%, 0.3% and stuff. Yeah, but always go in for 1 point upwards. Yeah, so right now the highest spread unless right now is 1.1%, and it's what, and it's a major coin. That's Bitfinex, and you set it on what Littlekin. You see that thing? Yeah. And one thing is that all these exchanges are found in the App Store or the Play Store. You see, yeah. So this live arbitrage signal or scanner, arbitrage scanner, is different from all the scanner that I've been teaching you, and this one is way better and way understandable. Yeah, because some of the signals, some of the arbitrage scanners, they don't give you the 24 hours volume. They don't give you whether it's closed, the coin is closed, the coin is gamble coin or stuff. But this one, it gives you everything. It shows you that, okay, this coin, when you invest this amount, you'll be getting this. Is it closed or open? It will teach you all these things. Yeah. So I'll put the scanner like link in the description. Yeah, and if you're watching me from YouTube, just join my Telegram group and you get it. Yeah. So right now I'm not selling the arbitrage bot again, because at first the reason why I was selling is that I will teach you how to use it. But if you want me to teach, yeah. So right now they have introduced a new thing. Yeah. So they have introduced a referral program where you refer people and you'll be making money. You can say that I've referred 42 people and I've not made any money. You see that thing was just introduce it. So imagine I've sacrificed and get this information and I'm giving it out for free. That's why I was selling it. Yeah, but right now I'm giving it out for free, and just sign up, use the bots. When you want the signal is 50 USDT for subscription. You subscribe and you'll be using it for a month, and when it's expired and you see that okay, it's very good, then you renew your subscription. Yeah. So, and if you also refer people for them to use the auto trade and the signal bots, you can still be making up to 5% per every referral. You'll be making 5% profit, a bonus from every referral, or 5% commission on every referral. You see that thing? Yeah. So please use my link and know that I'll be giving you this thing for free. Yeah. But if you really want to learn much about crypto arbitrage, we have a lot of ways to do arbitrage. You need mentorship. That's why you need me, and I'm a crypto lord. Chat